Good morning, students. How are you this morning? I welcome you to the last unit of Social Studies. That is Unit 6. It's called People at a Marketplace. It's a very interesting unit and it's a very simple one as well. So this is basically Introduction to Unit 6. Let's begin. First, the objectives for today are to use visuals to determine word meanings, to use words and visuals to preview the content of the unit, right? So this is what we are going to try and achieve by the end of our session today. Now, before we move on to finding out the vocabulary words, I want you to think of your existing knowledge. Now, as a family, when things are normal, what are places that you go to? A grocery store, very good. A gas station to fill petrol. Sometimes you go to restaurants, you go to a hair salon. Some of you have private tuitions. Some of you sometimes have to even go to a doctor. Very good. Now hold on to this thought while I bring to you the vocabulary. The vocabulary can be broadly divided into two, which is producer and consumer. Okay, let me show you the pictures. That's a producer and here's a consumer. Now, what is the difference between these two pictures? Here you see someone who is a person who grows, makes or sells products. And here, this is a consumer, a person who buys and uses goods and services. See, you see a shopping trolley, correct? So the one who buys is a consumer. The one who grows, makes or sells is a producer. Let's move on to the next set of vocabulary words. We have three more, which is goods, services, and marketplace. I repeat, goods, services, and marketplace. Let's go through each one of them in detail. Goods. Goods are things that can be bought and sold. Have a look at this image. Okay, so the donut, the toothpaste, all of these are goods. Services is work done for others. Now I'll give you an example. Here is a car. Okay, a car is a good. A car wash, on the other hand, is a service. Very good. What is service? A service is something done for someone else. Sometimes people are paid for their service. Sometimes they are not. Then our next vocabulary word is the marketplace. And I'm sure you know this. When I show you the image, you'll say, oh, I know this one. So what is a marketplace? Where people buy and sell goods and services. Have a look, right? This is a vegetable market and this is like a supermarket. Very good. So let's do a quick recap. So what are the vocabulary words? The two main ones. Very good. Producer, consumer, goods, services, and marketplace. Let's take a look at the images. That's a producer, consumer, goods, services, and marketplace. Please remember these vocabulary words. Now, how do consumers and sellers come together at a marketplace? Very simple. Sellers are at a marketplace to sell their goods and services, and buyers are there to get goods and services they want. Let me know if you have any questions. And if you do, you can always write to me. I hope you enjoyed the lesson today. Look after yourself and take care. Until next time, see you. Bye-bye. Start.
Yeah. You have a few more recordings to do. And guess you have to go. What?